Hello everyone, I'm Zada. Today I would like to introduce the Sunward's SWE150E, an energy efficient expert among the 15-ton excavator, the well-deserved fuel-saving powerhouse. Exceptionally fuel efficient. One of its key features, its high energy efficiency. Sunward's self-developed ELAC, electronic control system, enables precise control of the engine and hydraulic system, minimizing unnecessary flow losses and fuel consumptions. The machine is equipped with automatic and single-touch idle function to reduce the fuel consumption during the downtime. Truly powerful. In terms of performance, SWE150E delivers about 100 kilonewton of bucket digging force, making it capable of handling typical earth-moving tasks efficiently. Exceptionally robust. The structure parts features a reinforced design for superior durability, ensuring the long-lasting reliability on deliver the job sites and dependable uptimes. It's not only provide the powerful performance but also help you to save the fuel consumption and the ultimate tools for the wealth creation.